What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As y'all saw by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I achieved these flat iron curls and how I got this half up, half down hairstyle, which was really cute. And yeah, as y'all can see, I'm working with Unice hair. I love their hair. Y'all already know I love Unice hair. If you don't watch some of my previous videos, you would know I love their hair, period. So I had just got finished blow drying the hair, and I just sectioned off the part that I wanted in a ponytail, and then I also sectioned off the two pieces in the front. I'm just taking that Keandraahzhane wax stick and putting that on the hair. I will be revisiting the ponytail, so this was just like something I did for now in the beginning. But yeah, then after I finished doing this, I'm just going with the flat iron curls. Y'all, it was way easier than I thought it would be. This was my first time doing it, and it was easier on my mannequin head because I could see actually what I was doing. So yeah, I'm gonna have all the details on this hair in the description box below. Believe it or not, this is my third time installing their hair, the same wig, and I really like it. So yeah, if y'all want to know the details on this hair, just click the link in the description box to where you can purchase it, and I will also have the details and specs about the hair in the description box as well. So I went through how I combed the hair out just a little bit, didn't really do much. I'm going in with my flat irons. These are, hold on, I'm actually about to grab them right now. My Remington flat iron. Yeah, so that's the Remington flat iron. I got them from Ross. Really cheap, really good flat iron. And I'm just curling the hair like towards the mannequin head. Y'all, it's so simple. You literally just run the flat iron through the freaking hair and it curls it. Like, I feel like you can watch better than, you can learn from watching me do it better than me explaining it, if that makes any sense. But I've never did flat iron curls, and I got it like first try, so I feel like anybody can do it. And yeah, so I'm gonna basically just show y'all how to do it like 3 more times, and then I'm just gonna speed it up. So I was just taking the sections of hair, running my comb through it. Y'all, believe it or not, this hair is still silky to this day. Like, all I do when I wash my wigs is shampoo the lace and stuff like that so I can get the glue off, and then I just condition the actual hair, and y'all, it still had its luster, its shine, and everything. That's what I love about Unice hair. Like, it stays silky and soft, and it's been 2 installs. Like, this is like my 3rd one, like I said. But I know I got off a little bit off topic, but I just wanted to say, like, this is some really good hair, and it's off Amazon. It's super affordable, and yeah, y'all should definitely go check Unice hair out, cause I like it. So I'm gonna put y'all on. But yeah, I'm just taking sections of the hair, running that comb through once again, taking my flat iron and flipping that hair towards the mannequin head, and I'm literally just dragging it down. Like, that's literally it. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep doing this throughout the entire head, and then I'm gonna come back towards the end. After I finished curling everything, this is how I was looking. Super cute and girly. This is a super cute and easy hairstyle that you can do, and the curls really just bring it all together. So I'm gonna just take apart. I had braided those 2 sections. I'm just gonna take those apart, run a flat iron through them, and then also give those 2 pieces a little curl in the front. So this is how she was looking when I was all finished. I think this hairstyle is super cute, super girly. The curls were super easy to achieve. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video because I will be installing this wig on camera in my next video. And if y'all learned anything, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I hope it was helpful. Hit that bell for post notifications, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Show me some love, kiss me some hug. I never had to let you go to the club, 'cause your boys